everyone. Right, today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be looking at different types of weather. Okay, so in different places in the world you will have different weather. So if you go on holiday to somewhere hot, then you will have sunny weather or maybe some cloud. And if you go on holiday to somewhere cold, you might have some snow. Okay, we have a bit of both in the UK. So these are some of our weather symbols. So here we have a sun, and that means sunshine. So if you see this on the news, on the weather report, then you know that means there's sunshine. Now we've also got the sun behind some clouds, so cloudy with some sun. Okay, we've also have rain with some sun. So we've still got our sun behind the cloud, but we've also got some raindrops. So that means that there's going to be rain with some sun. This symbol is just for rain. We've got this one where it's also a cloud, but we've got some snowflakes. So this one means that it's going to snow. We have another cloud with a snowflake and a raindrop, which means sleet. Okay, and sleet is a mixture between rain and snow. We've got this symbol here, and it means thunder and lightning. Okay, so it's got like a zigzag coming out of it. Sometimes it's a different colour, sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's yellow. And then we've got a white cloud, which means it's cloudy. Okay, so depending on where you go in the world, you will have lots of different types of weather. So remember, we talked about the equator, which is this invisible line in the middle, and it's the widest part of the earth, so it's closest to the sun. And because it's closest to the sun, it means that the places that are in this middle part and around here are the hottest places in the world. And the further away you get, so we've got the North Pole and the South Pole, they are going to be the coldest places. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at different weather reports for different places. Okay, so we have down here, we have the Congo, this country here, and we also, all the way up here, we have Iceland. Now, have a think. Which country do you think's going to be the hotter one or the colder one? Which is going to be hotter, which is going to be colder, and why? And then we are here in the United Kingdom. So let's have a look at a weather report for Iceland. Okay, let me put that there. So this is our weather report for Iceland. This is over a week, and here it says from Sunday, so that's yesterday. Okay, so this Monday's today. So this is what the weather is going to be like this week in Iceland. Okay, so Reykjavik, which is the capital. Now it says today it is -8, which is very, very cold. Okay, so on Monday today we have some sun, but it's -4. Tuesday it is 1 degree, and we've got some clouds over the sun, so it's cloudy with a bit of sun. Wednesday it's 5 degrees with rain. Thursday it's 4 degrees with rain. Friday it's 5 degrees with rain. And Saturday 4 degrees with rain. And then Sunday it's 3 degrees with some snow and rain, so sleet. Okay, so why do you think this country is so cold? Should we have another look at our map, our globe? If you can see, Iceland is here, which is really near the North Pole, which is far away from the equator. So that's why Iceland is a cold place to be. So if we have a look at the Congo, now this is also this week. So we've got today it's 31 degrees. So that's very, very different than -8. It's much hotter in the Congo. And the reason for that is because the Congo is really near the equator. That's why it's a hot place. So on Monday today, 30 degrees and raining actually, but it's still warm. Tuesday, it's 32 degrees with cloud and a bit of sun. Wednesday, 31 degrees, a bit of rain again, but remember it's still hot there because it's near the equator. Thursday, it's 31 degrees with cloud, a bit of sun. Friday, 32 degrees, cloudy with a bit of sun. And then Saturday, 32 degrees with rain. Sunday, 31 degrees and rain. Okay, so it's very, very warm all of this week. So we know that Iceland is very cold because it's far away from the equator. And we also know that Congo is very hot because it's near the equator. So these are quite extreme, aren't they? Very, very cold and very, very hot for this time of year. So what about the UK? So let's look at our globe again. If you have a look, Iceland is near the top, but the UK is not that far away. It's far further away from the Congo, but not that far away from Iceland. So we're nearer the colder part. So we're not quite as cold as Iceland, but we're still quite chilly. So this is Iceland and this is the UK. And this temperature was taken in London. And it's 3 degrees. So we're on the colder side, but we're more in the middle. So today's 8 degrees. This was from Sunday. So this is 8 degrees today on Monday, and it's cloudy with a bit of sun. Tuesday, so tomorrow, is going to be 9 degrees with some rain. We get a lot of rain, don't we? And then Wednesday's 11 degrees with some rain. Thursday's 9 degrees with rain again. But then on Friday, it's 6 degrees, so it's a little bit colder than Thursday, but we've got some cloud with a bit of sun coming through, which is good. And then on Saturday, it's going to be 4 degrees with cloudy and sunny. And then on Sunday, it's 6 degrees and it's raining again. Okay, so they are quite extremely different, especially the Congo and the UK. Okay, so remember, we're about in the middle, but leaning on the side of colder. Okay, so we've looked at our weather symbols. And what you're going to be doing today is you are going to use your compass that you made last week. Do you remember? That way round. So north, east, south and west. Never eat shredded wheat. We're going to use the compass to help us put the weather symbols in the right places on our maps. So you can print one off, or if you're good at drawing, you can draw one. I've printed one. So this is a map of the UK, so where we live. And this is a map of Antarctica. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to read a description, a weather description, and we are going to try and listen to the words and find out where we need to put our symbols on the map. So my description I'm going to read. So for the UK, it says, in the north of the UK, there will be showers throughout the day and temperatures of 10 degrees. So the north, using my compass, we can find out. Remember, the north is always at the top. So the north of the UK is going to be this part, isn't it? The north is at the top. And it said there will be showers. So what I'm going to do is I'm to get my scissors and I'm going to cut out my symbol. You can draw the symbol if you would like. It doesn't matter. But for today, I'm just going to cut them out to show you how to do it this way. So in the north of the UK, and you can stick it down if you want to. In the north of the UK, there will be showers. So I'm going to stick that on the top. Okay, and you can even put the temperature if it says that and you would like to. So it also says, as you travel closer to the east coast, you will see some cloudy spells with hints of sunshine. So looking at my compass again, travelling to the east, travelling down to the east, probably around here. Okay, so it said cloudy spells with hints of sunshine. So I am going to be choosing this symbol, cloud and sunshine. Okay, put some glue on the back of there. And in the east, just double check with our compass, east, east. There we are. The description also says, down in the south, it will feel colder than other parts of the UK, with temperatures dropping to 4 degrees. And this cold weather will be joined by some rain. Oh dear. Okay, so the south, looking at my compass, south. So south round here. Joined by some rain. See, I've used my rain symbol, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself a rain cloud. There we are. So it's going to be raining in the south. Oh dear. And finally, in the west, expect temperatures of 6 degrees and showers throughout the day. However, possible hints of sunlight. So I'm going to use my symbol rain with some sun. And I'm going to work out where to put my symbol by using my compass. So in the west will help to move it, and the west is around here. Put some glue on the back. You might want to draw it, it's up to you. Just like this. Okay, so I've done my weather map for the UK. Put that to one side. Now I'm going to do my weather map for Antarctica. So my description says, it feels very cold in Antarctica. In the north, snow with spells of sleet is to be expected around this area. Okay, so in the north, so the north is this part. Okay, so snow with spells of sleet. Okay, so let's look at here, snow. Okay, so let's use our snow symbol. And we're going to use the glue and stick it down and just double check. Yeah, that was in the north. Okay, when travelling into the east of the country, wrap up warm as there are high winds, dropping the temperature to -40. That is so cold. Okay, so the east, looking at the east. Now, I don't think I have a wind symbol here, so I'm going to draw one. So in the east, looking at my compass, the east is here. Now I'm going to draw a cloud. Winds, or you could just do wind like this. In the south and west areas, temperatures are reaching a low of -30, although the sun will be appearing in the south later on in the day. Okay, so it's going to be -30 in the south and the west, but the sun will be coming out in the south later on in the day. So let's use our sun symbol, put some glue on it and put it down here. Okay, and that's my description for the weather in Antarctica. Okay, so your task today is you have got to use your compass that we made last week, okay, to help put weather symbols on a map of the UK and Antarctica, okay, and you will be given weather descriptions to put the correct weather symbols in the correct place on the map. Okay, you will have your own descriptions. Okay, well done everyone, see you soon.